Palm reading is a type of ancient art that goes back hundreds of generations. It originated in India and spread throughout Asia, Europe, and North America. It was popularized in the Chinese book the I Ching, and Aristotle took an active interest in it. Even Alexander the Great thought it gave him an edge in battle, and maybe it did. He did have a 15-year winning streak. The one most noteworthy line in the palm is located right below the base of the fingers. It's called the heart line. It's a sharp crease that reveals a lot about your relationships and your future love life. You don't need to pay a palm reader to read it for you, though you can learn to do it yourself. First, place your hands side by side. Do your lines of love match? Do they touch one another when your palms are perfectly aligned? Are they a little bit crooked? If the right hand line is higher than the left line, it means you're a good lover, wise beyond your years. You tend to be drawn toward old souls. You don't care what society thinks and you tend to live freely. If the left line is higher than the right, it means you're more assertive and independent, not necessarily needing love to complete yourself. You enjoy a good challenge, and while you do have needs, you don't take the search for love terribly seriously. If the lines are the same height, it signals a calm, nurturing personality. You don't like changes and make a great parent.